What is artificial intelligence? It's simply the combination of science and engineering mixed together to form an intelligent machines. I know that this definition really sucks. But believe me that this video is gonna be amazing and you won't regret if you watch the full video, and you are gonna definitely understand what is artificial intelligence. Many people have misconception that artificial intelligence means robots and there's gonna be a great war between humans and robots, and finally humans will lose and robots will win. I don't know, maybe this may happen and this may not happen. But the point here is, artificial intelligence is not the future. Actually, it is now in the present of our lives, and we are daily experiencing artificial intelligence. You won't believe me, right? I will prove you. Suppose, go to Google and type something randomly that you want to search. After typing 4 or 5 words, they will be displayed exactly what you want to search in the search bar. And I was always amazed by this. I thought Google was some kind of psychic, but I got to know that artificial intelligence is doing this work. Still you don't believe me? Then go to Instagram and start scrolling the reels. After 4 or 5 reels, you will recognize that 6th reel will be the reel that is similar to the reel that you have previously liked. That means 6th reel is shown according to your interest. How is this happening? Is it reading your mind? No, right? It is just making some pattern and delivering the reel that you wanted to see. And this is what artificial intelligence is. Although it is not completely artificial intelligence, it is a combination of artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning, which you will be learning further today in this video.
And what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is a science that tells the machine to adapt to the human behavior. ये science machine को सिखाता है कि to follow the human behavior. It means it tells the machine to follow some patterns or some steps to mimic the human behavior. For example, let's take this example into scenario. Whenever you're using the Instagram, you will scroll the reels. So when you're just scrolling the reels, you will find some interesting reels and you will like them. So what happens right there? The AI will take your data into consultation. And for the next few reels, the AI will try to send the reels that you actually like the reels. That means whatever the reels that you liked will be coming in the upcoming reels. So what is happening right there? The AI is trying to send you the data that is similar to your content. That means it is trying to read your mind, predicting your data, and it's sending the similar reels. So what does it mean? The AI is mimicking your data or mimicking your behavior. So machine learning and deep learning are functioning in a parallel way, and it's helping the AI to get the data accurately and perform the things accurately. And we want to announce that we are trying to release a new video on machine learning and deep learning in upcoming days. So stay tuned for that and stay updated by subscribing to our channel. And coming to today's topic, artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence are widely categorized into 3 branches: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence. So if you want to discuss about artificial intelligence, it can be said as the weak or the lean or the initial stage of artificial intelligence. So the examples of artificial narrow intelligence are Siri. So when you will call the Siri and try to play a song, it will play a song that you will be asked. What is going right there? You are giving the input and it's giving the output. So here there are no complex mathematics and no complex things. The only thing that goes is you are giving the input and you are getting the output. So that's what the artificial narrow intelligence actually is. Some of the examples of it goes are face recognition by Android and iPhone app. And coming to the second one, artificial general intelligence. It is considered to be the most advanced artificial intelligence that we have till date. So what is happening right there? It is trying to mimic the human behavior and to try to behave intellectually. And note here the word intellectual. It is trying to mimic your behavior accurately and sending the data in an accurate manner and performing the advanced tasks. So for example, when it comes to advanced tasks, so whenever playing chess, whenever making a move, it will try to mimic your behavior and play accordingly. So what's happening right there? It is reading your mind, it is reading your steps, and it is getting some data and it is behaving accordingly. So this is what artificial general intelligence actually is. And finally coming to artificial super intelligence. It is considered the most advanced intelligence of all these three intelligence, but the only thing that is, it doesn't exist. It only exists in the Hollywood movies like Terminator and some other movies. So what is artificial super intelligence actually is? It's a robots or a advanced robots that can do more advanced things than humans. So only thing with artificial super intelligence is it is not possible till the date. So coming to the final conclusion, what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is our day-to-day helping partner which help us in making ease alive. But the important point to be noted that anything which is excess in life can be worse in some times. So be aware of it. So signing off, LearnInverse team.